as you can see, we are sitting in the chicken coop. Oh boy. And I have, this is Paisley, and this is Raptor. And when I bend down or I sit down, these girls jump on me. This is your weekly chicken vlog. So if you all are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, I am so glad to see you again. Let's get talking about these chickens, y'all. Hi, girls. Hi, girl. Whoop. Watch the water. I'm stuck on the fence. Hello, girls. How are you? So it's time for our weekly chicken vlog, girls. So as you can see, we are doing our best to keep our chickens nice and cool. We have a mister set up in here. And then over here we've taken some gallon milk jugs and then some Gatorade water bottles. Our Gatorade bottles that we filled up with water and we froze them in the freezers so they have something to lay up against and stay nice and cool. They have some toys. They got some dangly bits hanging. And other than just us trying to keep them nice and cool, that's the only thing that's really changed. They are going into their house all on their own now. We don't have to put them in there. They put themselves to bed just before the sun goes down. So that's kind of neat. And then the other thing, that's Pearl sitting there. She's waiting to go into her dust bath. We got to put some more dirt and herbs in that. And then of course this is Ruby. For those of you who are new, this is Pearl. These are our girls. They've been eating some frozen watermelon. This one is Ostara. The one who's just loving up all the water is, oh, well, here's my girl. Now, this is my flyer, y'all. Let's see if I can get her to get on my hand. You want to come on up? Come on. Come on. Come up. There she goes. Well, she's going back down. This is Paisley. Paisley is our flyer. And when I'm in here, Paisley usually flies up to my shoulder. She flies up here and I pick her up. And then this beautiful little girl right here, that is Raptor for all of you who are new. And these are our chickens. As you can see, not a lot has changed. They're still staying in this pen. Don't want to let them out just yet. I want to make sure that they know that this is home. So like I said, not a lot has changed. I would sit down, but the ground is kind of wet to keep them cool. And you can see they absolutely love this mister and being in it and staying cool. We've been topping at about 100 degrees a day. So little Miss Pearl right here, she is a light Brahma and she's not really heat tolerant. So we've really got to keep them nice and cool. And they absolutely love being in here and doing this and being in the water. They eat up all the, here she comes. Comes my girls. When one thinks something's getting something, the others come running. Anyway, Pearl is not heat tolerant, so we have to really watch her and just kind of keep eye on her. We don't want her to get heat exhaustion. But you can see they're eating their frozen watermelon. They like that snack. Anyway, we do, sorry about that interruption. We do other things too. We put out, I got some of the bundt pans so I can put some fruit and seeds in there, and then I freeze it and it comes out. We haven't had to have those in the last couple of days because where we were kind of topping out at like 103, but it felt like 107 outside. We haven't brought those out. The frozen watermelon, the cold ice water, and the mister seem to be working and keeping them nice and cool. And so do the water bottles that are frozen. Now you can see they've moved over to this side, and that's because when the sun tracks over to here, the sun will start coming in, and then they'll move over to here where they are right now. And then I put out new, when those are thawed, I put out new rows. And of course we got the lovely fly hanging bag for the flies because they are horrible this year. So let me know down in the comments, do y'all have chickens? If you do, are you new chicken mama? How's that going? I have to tell you, this has been one of the greatest adventures I have been on. These chickens, each one of them has their own personality. Each one of them likes me in a different way. Each one of them do different things, and they are so funny to be around. I don't know if you all have that experience with your chickens. If you don't, I sure am sorry, but we have a good time out here with these girls. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to see more chicken updates. We're probably going to reduce them to about every 2 weeks because, like I said, not a lot is changing. You know, they are growing, but not like they were in the beginning. So it'll be about every 2 weeks now that we will do these chicken vlogs. But if you found some value in this, please give us a like and a thumbs up. If you found some humor in it, let us know about that too. Oh my God, how about that opening, huh? But don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button if you are new, because new videos are posted often and I would hate for you to miss anything. Until I see you in the next video, you all take care of yourselves, you keep your heads up, and most importantly, no matter how you do it, you keep growing. Till I see you then, bye-bye.